I just want to die.
Ujunwa, calm down. Calm down.
No, best. I just want to end it. I just want to die and end it. Let me end it.
End what now? Why would you end it? For what?
Do you know what my mother said to me?
What did she say?
That I should marry Ezekwesili. Why would my mother even utter such thing? Knowing full well that Jerry has done a whole lot for us.
Yes. That is the more reason why you don't need to cry. Your mother has a right to say anything she wants to say. But you follow your heart. Would you?
It's not easy for me. I don't even know that my mother would say such a thing. I cannot...
She has said so.
Do you know what I want to do now?
No.
No. I want to drink water and die. Let me just die so that my mother will understand what killed me.
Just stop, Ujunwa.
How can my mother say such a thing after everything Jerry has done for us?
I know.
She didn't even think that they are siblings. Why would my mother think of a thing like that?
She has not even forced you to marry him.
She's forcing me.
She said so.
She's forcing me.
You follow your heart. Forget what your mother said. Come on. Stop. Stop. You'll be fine. Just forget it, okay? Follow your heart.
Love me.
Mama. I don't want Mama. What is it? Did you see Ujunwa?
Mama, are you looking for Ujunwa?
Yes.
She's not here. What happened, Mama? Since when?
She ran away from the house not quite long. She's not here. Oh. Joy, did you see her?
No, Mama. I have not seen her.
Where will she be?
Ujunwa. Isn't it? Have you gone to Waneka's place?
She's not there.
Hi. Mama. Ujunwa, run away. Ujunwa, why are you doing this to your mom? Sister, do you remember what I told you about this case? This is just the beginning of what will happen in future. What are we going to do now? Don't be surprised. That girl might have gone to the bush to kill herself. God forbid. Ujunwa will never do such a thing. No, she won't. Ujunwa will never do such a thing. What are you going to do now? Don't be surprised. Just follow them and go on. We have to go after her. We have to go and look for her.
Rose, you look so worn out.
We are looking for my daughter. She ran away from the house 3 hours ago.
Now they wait to where?
Who knows?
Hey.
That's why we are looking for her. We've gone to your house and your daughter said she didn't come to your house.
I'm not here. Hey,
Mama, let's go now.
go to where Akwanu, Kebu Naga, in particular.
Anywhere, we are just wondering.
Yeah.
And what did you do to her?
Is it an answer to my question?
Do I look like Ujunwa's skipper?
Best. Ujunwa ran away from the house and we have been looking for her.
Ask her what she did to her. I mean, ask her what she did to her. Mama, how could you be this callous? Mama, how could you be this wicked? How could you turn away your face from somebody who enslaved himself to make you happy? Somebody who displeased himself for you. Mama, where's your conscience? Where is the golden heart we know you with? Where is it?
Best, I ask you again, where is my daughter?
Your daughter is in my house. I'm afraid she doesn't want to see you.
Best, if Ujunwa is in your house, like you said, then where were you going to?
I was coming to see her after Ujunwa told me what happened.
What happened?
Like you don't know what happened.
Honestly, I don't know. The mother just told me that Ujunwa ran away from the house. That is it. Please tell me what happened.
Let's follow her. She'll tell us what happened. Come here.
Where is she?
What is it? The room is not even clean. Chris, I'm too. Chris, you need the room is still. Three. Make and three.
Okay, I say we play here.
So come inside. Yeah, kneel down. Raise up your hand. Huh? I said raise up your hand. I said raise up. You know who go to my school? Huh? You know who go to my school? Raise up!
Say we play here. Son.
Open your mouth.
Huh?
Open your mouth. I want to see your tongue. Bring it out. You know to open your mouth. Open your mouth. Open your mouth. This is what they try to say. Quite make teacher listen for me.
President, please.
Teacher small lesson.
See,
you see here.
we know they play here. You don't know what to carry us enter here. Now, President, where you take for the ground? Like, you tell what they play here. President, no worry, President, no verse. Just go down. See, collect this thing. Continue. Fast. Increase sound now, President. Fast. That two, oh yeah, they go.
Good evening. Please, I want to see my brother.
Who is your brother?
Jerry.
What do you have for me?
I brought food for you.
Open the food.
You better assess the food. So that if anything happens to your brother tomorrow, you know say na you dey go hold responsible.
Nothing will happen to me.
John.
Yes, ma'am.
Carry and go see him brother.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma.
Good day, ma. Good afternoon, officer. Ma,
Waiting.
please, I'm here to see my man.
Who be your man?
His name is Jerry.
Who be Jerry? That notorious criminal.
Notorious? Ma, please don't call him that. He's not a notorious criminal.
Madam, shift go one corner. No be notorious criminal. No be carry gun go shoot person.
He did not shoot anybody, ma.
Eh.
He didn't.
He dey learn how to shoot as a police officer. Abi as a military man.
No, stop playing
I
accusations.
just say custom. Which one be on?
I say he no shoot anybody.
He no shoot anybody.
He shot no one.
Eh, na fowl na shoot. No be human being.
Madam, please, can I see
Madam,
him?
you don't know who you find.
I did not come here to banter words with you. I'm here to see somebody. Because...
Madam, calm down, oh. If you know say you can't see person, calm down. Now my station you dey so.
I've heard you, please. Can I see him?
John.
Yes, ma'am.
Go bring that man. Come out, that notorious man.
He's not a criminal, man. Please. You shouldn't call him a criminal.
Madam, I don't want to hear your voice, so.
Huh.
Shift. You know they hear me, I say shift.
No, I need to talk.
Here na station, no, here not be hotel. Shift. Madam, I say shift now. You dey provoke me, oh.
Talk to my husband.
I say shift in they hear you, in here no deaf now. When they commit the crime, you no see him. Madam, shift. I say shift too. I say shift now.
What kind of a woman is this? You're a woman yet you're behaving like this.
You don't know say COVID-19 they hug am.
It's not your business.
Eh, no be my business.
I miss you so much.
Time up. Oh.
I don't want to go. I want to be here with you.
No, you have to go.
No, I don't want to.
I'll be out before you know it.
Madam, you don't do. Madam, your time don't over. Madam, I say shift too. No, they share this crocodile tears. No go help matter. Shift. Okay, your time don't dey over. John, take him back to the station. Madam, you don't come out. Madam, I said they go now.
I don't like what you're doing.
Eh,
No.
I like what they do. Madam, your time don't go. They go.
You're not a good woman.
Better woman. Where they man carry gun, they waka about. You know if you caution am. You dey call yourself better woman. You don't see when he carry the gun. Now police officer.
You don't carry any gun.
Eh.
You're an evil woman.
Better woman. Madam, locate the door.
You're not.
Why not? When you encourage and make it they carry gun, they walk around.
Eh? Are you serious? Hey, I would love to see. Eh? Ngozi, I'll call you back.
Yeah.
I'm welcome. I'm fine, thank you.
Is your sister not around?
I am around.
Hello. Thank you very much. Thank you, Nene. No. Welcome there.
Zoba, something's going wrong. Have you heard?
About Ujunwa. My dear, her mother just left a few hours ago. Joy and I even went in search of her, but we didn't see her. It's terrible.
Let it not be she has killed herself.
The same thing she said.
Sister, I told you.
That is why I came to your house. Let's go to their own house and know what is going on.
You have a point. Joy, please. Take care of the house, okay? I'm coming. Let's go.
Don't let me down, oh. Please don't let me down, oh. I have invested my life, my love and my prime, just to see you smile. Don't let me down, oh. Please don't let me down, oh. Oh, love me, love more. Don't let me down. Yeah, I want to love you more. I want to love you more. Yeah.
Hello, how are you?
Bring it. Pass here. Bring it.
How have you all been? How are the kids? They're sleeping. You must have overfed them. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'll be just fine. Thank you.
Don't have connections.
It is fine. Next time you have, because I keep visiting. I have come to talk to you. You see, your husband was good. He was a very good man. He worked with me for 5 years. His death was painful and untimely. But God knows better. I know that you have been crying. I know that it hurts. But I want you to know that you have gained a friend in me. I came here today with a small gift for you. I made out a check. For 30 million now. It will help you with immediate expenses, a few things with the kids, and possibly set up a business that can earn you some money. Speaking of the children, I promised to take care of their education from this level to university level.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And here is my card. I want you to know that you can call me if you need anything. Please, do not hesitate.
Okay.
You need something? Let me know. Okay?
Thank you.
Call me.
Mama, stop doing this to yourself. Mama, if you develop BP now, what will you say?
Charity, I have been trying so hard to develop BP.
God forbid.
Let me die and rest.
Mama, you cannot die. You will not die. Eh? You will not die. Why are you sounding like this?
What am I living for?
Mama, you are living because God wants you to live. That's why you're living. And stop sounding negative. Now, Mama, listen to me. Once Brother Eze comes back, Jerry will be granted bail.
He told you that?
Yes, I called him. He said he went to Abia State, that once he comes back, Jerry will come back.
It's okay. I will wait till tomorrow.
It's okay. Can I bring your food now?
Charity, I'm not hungry. How can I be here eating while my son is rotting in police station?
Mama, I have dished his food. And as soon as you're done, I'll take his food to him.
No, go and get it. Let us go together.
You want to go with me?
Yes.
You're strong enough to go.
Let us go, Biko.
Okay.
Lord is bigger than water. We can pretend, but we are brothers. Brother.
I suggested that because from the way things are going, Jerry may appear in court. And you know what that means. Ujungwa, I would advise you go see Ezekwesili and plead with him. According to the policeman I spoke with, he said it is only Ezekwesili that can grant him bail. That is if we don't want him to go to court.
Ujunwa, I told him to come tell you everything. After discussing with him, listen to me, my friend. Going to see Ezekwesili doesn't mean you have accepted to marry him.
What if he gives me that as a condition? Yes, I need an answer. What if he gives me that?
Ujunwa, marrying him and losing Jerry, which one do you prefer?
Best. Did you just hear what she said?
Yes, I heard her. But I don't think he will make that as a condition.
What if he does? That is my question. What if he does? Eh?
Then I'm afraid Jerry will go to court.
In other words, what are you saying? No, answer me. What are you trying to say? Best. Okay, what is it? What is it now? My mother did what? My mother did what? What happened now? My mother now? Talk.
She wants to commit suicide.
My mother! Hey,
What is going on? I saw Ujunwa running.
Somebody came to tell her that the mother wanted to commit suicide.
Are you sure?
Sure.
Take me there.
It's okay.
Please, you don't have to do this. You don't have to do this. Let me die. You don't have to.
let me die. Mama, let me die. Leave me, let me die, Ujunwa. Mama, please don't do this now. Leave me. What do you want to do? Leave me, let me die. So that you can live your life. Mama, don't say that now. How can you say this? And why do you want to leave me? Leave me. Mama, no, Mama. Biko, just tell me what you want. Biko, don't do this now. Mama, no. Mama, no.
It's fine. Mama. Mama. Organize. What is going on? What is this? Huh?
My son, I am sorry. At this point, I can't stop. Let me die. No, Mama, you can't do this to me. You can't leave me. Tell me whatever you want me to do. I will gladly do it for you, please.
Rose, you've heard what your daughter said. Please, tell her what the problem is and she will do it for you. Than taking your life. It's not the best option, please.
Mama, I'm here for you. Whatever the problem is, let me know.
Marry Ezekwesili.
Mama, it is fine.
If I not Madonna, baby, I know where. If I not Madonna, baby, I know where. If I not Madonna, baby, I know where. But can it kind of messing around? Diego. I will get a key, messing no. Yeah. I said, more get a key, messy home.
I want to say something. What is it? I have agreed to marry Eze, but I would love to ask him for a favor.
Whatever it is at the mention of it, I'll do it.
I want you to please release your brother from the police custody. Please.
Will that be all?
Yes.
Done.
You'll do it.
I'll do it.
Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate everything.
You're welcome.
Mama, let me prepare something for you. Go.
Mama, I'll renovate this house for you. Yes. Total renovation. Break it down and build a mansion here.
Aye.
Lord is bigger than water. We can pretend, but we are brothers.
You don't come out. See your clothes. Now because you don't see small money, my head go dey big. If I knock you this stick for head now, they go say I don't come. Make I see you for this station next time. If you like, go commit another crime wey pass this one. If you come for this station again, you go see where you go get yourself. Try commit another crime. You say this life now be the best life to live. All these small boys of nowadays. If na see small money, una go dey open eyes. Una go dey open eyes after una go say police wicked. Make I see you for this station.
Or they no be more. Love more. Don't break my heart. Yeah. Don't let me down, oh. Please don't let me down, oh. I have invested my life, my love in my prime, just to see you smile. Don't let me down, no. Please don't let me down, no. Oh, love me, love more. Don't let me down. Yeah, I want to love you more. I want to love you more. Yeah.
Hold on, I'm coming. Hey, brother. Hey, brother. How are you?
It's okay, it's okay. Welcome home. Welcome. Mama! Mama, come and see your son. But it's okay, you're already home. Huh? It's okay. Let's go inside. Mama, he's back. Jerry. You're welcome, Jerry.
How are you? It's alright. Let's go inside.
Let's go inside, it's okay. Huh? You're already home. Let's go.
Let's go inside.
Lord is bigger than water. We can pretend, but we are brothers. Brother, 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 brother. Let us embrace and forget the troubles. Oh, Lord is thicker than water. Lord is thicker than water.
Auntie? Food is served.
Okay. Thank you. I'll come and eat later. Thank you. He's back.
You're not looking cheerful. Is anything the matter?
He's back.
Who?
Your brother.
Oh yes, I had a conversation with the Commissioner of Police and he told me that he's been released.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome. Who?
He's been calling me.
Who?
Your brother.
Oh, pick up and tell him where you are.
Oh, okay. When he calls again.
Hey! To God be the glory. Eh? Nna, when did you come back?
I came in this morning.
Hey! Father, I thank you. How are you?
I'm fine. Mama, I've been calling Ujungwa since morning. She hasn't been picking my call and she hasn't called me back. Where is she?
Huh. Your mother didn't tell you?
What has my mother got to do with it? I'm asking you of Ujunwa. My mother didn't say what?
Jerry, you are a good man. You have done a lot of things for me and my daughter. Even if I die today, you will never be erased from my memory. The gods of our land will protect and guide you. Also give you a wife, a woman after your heart, as a wife.
What are you talking about, Mama? What are you talking about? What has the gods got to do with this? I'm telling you about Ujunwa, you're telling me that the gods will give me another. Which other wife? Where is Ujunwa?
Ujunwa is married.
Ujunwa is married to who?
To your brother, of course.
I risked my heart, and now it ends up being broken. I felt defeated severally when my world fell apart because of you. I struggled to make you happy, but now I am left alone. One thing is for sure, you will miss me when I am gone.
Love me, love more. Don't let me down. Yeah, I want to love you more. I want to love you more. Yeah.
Who else would it be if not the mother of my unborn children?
Obim, how did he know I'm the one?
Onuwaje voice.
Obim.
Asamaru mama over. Over.
Obim, I miss you.
I miss you too. When did you come back?
Not quite long. Guess what?
What?
Mama is well again. Her stomach has stopped paining her entirely.
Praise the Lord!
Hallelujah! Oh, wait, let me ask you a question. How were you able to cope without me?
Is it even possible to cope without you?
Mm-hmm.
My life felt empty without you.
Oh, Dino.
I miss you.
Miss you, Mom.
You know, so how did it go?
It went well. I'm so happy. Mama is well again.
I am so happy.
Same.
Obi, please sing me that song again.
Oh, Dino be muo. Oh. Love muo.
Oh.
Oh, be muo. Ifunanya mo.
I like the part that says, oh. You just have to keep your face like this.
Oh, I know. Hey,
I miss you.
I'll be my one Fanta.
Love me, oh. Love me, oh, love me, oh.
What? You did what? Why would you sell your car?
I had to. I did everything possible. I ran helter-skelter. I tried to get the money through every means, but I couldn't. I was left with the option of selling my car. I had to.
Love more, yeah, because I reckon one more.
The operation has been done. It happened a few minutes ago.
How did it happen?
I had to beg the doctor. I literally fell down. I was begging him. I told him that she's the only one I have in this life. So he now accepted to carry out the operation. It has been done. All the same, I want to especially thank you for everything
You don't have to thank me.
Thank you, Obi.
Thank you. So, how is she feeling now? Can I see her?
Yes.
Onye bukwanni benya, onye mejana wanne ya, kai biri nudo, oga kama. Onye chani benyo kuno wano, onye mejana wanne ya, kai nara nudo, lechiga kama.
Why are you here?
I came to confirm if it is true. And to congratulate you for winning her over. You are indeed a strong man. Life has different ways of dealing with people. If it is the will of God, who am I to ask questions? And you, thank you. Thank you.
Love me. Love kanga kozelo. Ifa oge popo popo. Asimu oge popo anyway. Yeah. Love me, ajaluga me.
Baby, something they couldn't be. Ada, baby, Rajuka, everybody do it, but I don't know. Even in my manga, it doesn't put no money kill me. Adama, zeke, ada, and I get up on everywhere. I don't know the Nagada, and I get up on Nagada. Baby, not so much, baby. The fresh no money way. And I will go. Everybody do it, but I get it now. You better my baka, because I don't put that money kill me. I don't know what's in your secret. Adada. Mommy, bye-bye, Daddy, bye-bye. In my bus time, we come visiting you. It's a boy and girl, and I'm waiting for Sally, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Sally, give me the ball. Sally, give me the ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. Sally, 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 give me the ball. Check it out. Watch it. Zeba. Zigiriwo. Ida. Zigiriwo. Zoro. Zigiriwo. Zeba. Zigiriwo. Zoro. Ida. Zigira. Watch it. Ida. Zeba. Yes, sir. Ababa musimuti begum. Begum jemba. Odoko. Odoko sekona. Ababa musimuti begum. Begum jemba. Odoko. Odoko sekona. Soye gado lefo. Soye gado lefo. Soye gado lefo. Odoko sekona. Maya puti meya. Maya seka seka seka. Solo. Ane shedi ba. Solo solo solo. Oje oje. Seka 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 seka. Sese sese seka 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 seka. Yes sir. Oye mozala wano nunu. Esa. Abama ye muguma. Agame yogi kiyo. Abama ye zono kiyo menu nunu. Soye jeje galo lo forward. Soye jeje galo lo forward. Soye jeje galo lo forward. Okay, so when that was. Check out that, sing it out. Asha, sing it. Zero, 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 sit up, sit up, sit up, sit up. Zero, 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 zero. Yes, sir. Onye nwe akụkụ onwe gbao n'ọkwa ya ka na-ekwu arịa nwaanyị ọma oriba chukwu enyego ọgụ ya sịba sigida sigida sịba zere 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 zere
carry the house to go to water, but he no agree to drink water. When you carry the nama, come for feel the done, but he no agree to taba vivia. I know when you see your pocket check. Kenekike mesino, kenekike mesino. Akacheka.
Mama, where's your son? Where is he? Tell that idiot to come out right now. Where is he? Mama, if you do not provide that boy right now, I'm going to bring this house down. Jeremiah! What am I doing? Hey, search this place! Move! Search this house! Bring that idiot out! Bring that idiot out of this place! Mama, your boy has asked for trouble.
Calm down, Biko. Brother, you should be fighting Ujungwa, not your brother. What did your brother do?
Where is he?
Boss, they are not inside.
Ah! I'll come up to go. Your son has taken off. Okay? Your brother has taken off. Tell him to remain in exile. Tell him to remain in exile. If I get him, your boy has drawn the battle line. Tell him that I'm ready to fight.
Hey,
tell Jeremiah that I'm ready to fight. Try him. I'll be able now where I'm getting married, my very special day. Standing there, like a corpse that has been embalmed. Just when they were supposed to give me the drink. And as for Ujungwa, I'm going to tell her and her entire family. No, I'm going to chop them down. But for Jeremiah, I'm going to deal with him. Tell him that I was here.
But go and look for Ujungwa.
Not your brother. Go and fight Not your brother. Go and fight Ujungwa, Joe. Not Jerry. Mama, leave him. He's not going to do anything. He's Jerry's fault. You see Rose? Rose and her daughter. It will never be well with them.
Love more. Don't break my heart.
It's not possible. There will be no peace in this house, Mama. There will be no peace in this house. Call Nelson. Tell him to return my wife, else I will burn him alive. I don't have told you.
Jerry, I am ashamed of myself. I can no longer walk on the street freely because of you people. What is that now? What is so special in that girl that you will not allow us stress?